What are the best practices for Excel data visualization? If you are looking to create effective data visualizations in Excel, you might be wondering what the best practices are. Let's break it down so you can make your data shine. First, it is essential to choose the right type of chart or graph that fits your data and your audience. For instance, bar charts or column charts work well for comparing categories. If you want to show trends over time, line charts are the way to go. For displaying proportions, pie charts can be effective. Avoid mismatching data types with chart types to prevent confusion. Next, clarity and readability are key. Make sure your chart titles are clear and concise. Position them to create a visual hierarchy. Your axis labels should have enough contrast to be readable but not overpower the data. Using light gray tones can help with this. Stick to sans serif fonts like Seago for a consistent look that aligns with Excel's interface. When it comes to visual elements, adjust them to emphasize your data effectively. For bar and column charts, consider widening the bars by reducing the gap width to about 35%. This helps highlight the data without making it look cluttered. For line charts, increasing the line thickness to around 2.5 to 3 points makes trends more visible, especially when you have multiple lines. You can also highlight key lines by making them thicker or using distinct colors. Color plays a significant role in conveying meaning. Use consistent color schemes, such as green for positive values and red for negative values. This helps viewers interpret results quickly. Solid colors work well for actual data, while patterns like hatching can be used for forecasts or estimates to differentiate data types clearly. Consider using advanced chart types for specific purposes. Waterfall charts are great for illustrating how values change over time by showing starting and ending points, along with individual contributions. Bridge charts can explain changes between two values by highlighting contributing factors. Small multiples, which are arrays of similar charts, allow for comparison across categories or time periods without overwhelming a single chart. Before visualizing your data, remove any irrelevant or inaccurate information. This keeps your charts focused and avoids misleading interpretations. Providing context is also important. Include labels, legends, and annotations that explain what the data represents and why it matters. Telling a story with your data helps viewers grasp the message you want to communicate. Lastly, take advantage of Excel's features. Use subtotals, variance calculations, and integrated visual elements to combine multiple data points into a single informative chart. Patterns and colors can help distinguish between actual results, forecasts, and variances, making complex data easier to digest. By following these practices, selecting appropriate chart types, optimizing visual clarity, using color and patterns meaningfully, and providing context, you can create Excel data visualizations that are both informative and easy to understand. This will support better decision-making and communication.